Casting a line and retrieving a fish is an art, and like any art, it requires practice and a few handy tips. So here are 5 pointers to help you excel. 1. Always aim for a spot where fish are likely to be, like shaded areas or places with visible fish activity. 2. Perfect your casting technique. A smooth, fluid motion is key. 3. Practice patience. Fish aren't always biting, but patience often leads to reward. 4. Use the right bait. Different fish prefer different meals, so research is your friend here. And 5. Remember to reel in slowly. A quick retrieval can scare away your catch. So, there you have it. 5 fishing tips to improve your casting and retrieval game. Happy fishing!